I see a lot of YouTube videos. They get right there and
Stop, Daddy.
Well, it be on them.
yeah.
I bet I need it. Hey y'all, welcome back. So in this video, I will be showing the process of installing my refrigerator, the Samsung Bespoke refrigerator, as well as kind of like a high level review of the refrigerator. So first off, I bought this from Home Depot. There's a lot of different places that sell it. Like you can buy it directly off of Samsung's website, Best Buy, Lowe's, like those big type stores like that. So I just kind of shopped around to see which one had the best deal, which one had the best rebate. I also used something called Rakuten, so I was also concerned about which one was working with Rakuten at that time so I could get the best cash back. But I ended up going with Home Depot, and overall, this refrigerator cost me $2,198.35.
It's beautiful.
This is the beverage center. So my picture, and then
Make sure water come out.
well, you need something to put the water in. How long is it supposed to take?
Okay.
It works.
And what's the other? Like a water pitcher?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it has like a built-in infuser. I probably won't use that, but so, and I can put shelves here, which I think are in the freezer. Yeah, all the shelves are in the freezer, but the idea is I can put the shelves in, then I can put like soda cans or whatever in here. That way I don't have to open up the whole refrigerator to get drinks.
Okay, to get drinks, okay.
Oh, that's nice.
And it's a perfect fit.
Looks good.
It's beautiful.
Yes, so this is quite an expensive refrigerator. So it did cost more than $2,000, and it is brand new. Although, is it possible to get a brand new refrigerator that is cheaper than $2,000? Yes, of course. It's just, if you're new here, I'm bougie and I like a certain aesthetic, and I was doing a whole lot of research trying to find a refrigerator that, number one, would fit in the space that I had in my home, and then also one that was just like set up the way that I wanted. Oh, hold on. Here's some ASMR. Yeah, wanted to include that for anyone who likes ASMR. But yeah, I just really wanted one that had enough space on the inside and was also the right aesthetic. So I ended up getting the Samsung Bespoke refrigerator. This has 23 cubic square feet, and it's the 4-door French door model. I got the color white glass and the counter depth size. Yeah, and so as you see, I've been like unwrapping all of the packaging in the refrigerator. There is a lot. I couldn't include all the footage, but like it took a good probably like 30 minutes at least to like take all the plastic off of everything, and then I wanted to wash like all the shelves and different like pieces that I could. Like it's new, so it was in like a warehouse and stuff, and I just wanted to wash it before, actually moving my stuff in there. This is also a smart refrigerator, so it does have like an app that goes with it. Although, to be honest, I never actually use the app itself, but the app will let you know if like the door is open, and you can set the temperature for what you want it to be. So I'm well settled into the house now, and just wanted to give you like a final overview of the refrigerator. So we got this top section up here. First, okay, so let's talk about the outside of it. is this not beautiful? Like, does it not look beautiful? It's just, I'm so proud of myself for picking this out. So this is actually glass. So I could treat this like a dry erase board and like write on it. I'm not going to do that, but I could if I wanted to. I do need to clean it though. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but there are little like smudges here, but it's literally glass, so I can clean it like it's a window or a mirror. So this top section, this is like when people come over to visit the house or to visit me, and then I give them a tour of the house, this is the part that I'm always like, so this is my beverage center. You see this? It even says beverage center. So that's not me being bougie calling it that. It's literally what it's called. But yeah, so I can put cans up here. I drink a lot of sparkling water. I gave up soda. And by soda, I mean like Coca-Cola products type thing. I do have these like probiotic sodas, but I don't really count those as like real soda. Like real soda drinkers, no, that's not really soda. But yeah, so I can use both of these levels to store different drinks. And then down here, so I can put a cup and like press that, and you know, water will come down like normal. But this is also a pitcher. And I drink like a 40 ounce, well, I have a 40 ounce water bottle that I use a lot, and this can fill up almost that whole water bottle. And inside it, there is an infuser. So if I wanted to, I could put like lemons in there or strawberry in there and then have flavored water. I just like plain water unless it's sparkling water. So I don't use the infuser. But if you wanted this refrigerator, you could do that. And so when I open it for real, then you see the other side of it. So it's actually a lot of storage in here. You can fit a lot of things. I have room for like more cans if I wanted to. And then I have some sauces down here. And now if we open up the whole thing, okay, so do not judge my organization, or don't judge the things that are in the refrigerator. The whole point is just a review of the refrigerator, not its contents. But we have these levels up here. This is by far the biggest refrigerator I've ever had, and I am someone who lives alone, like it's just me. But I can fit a lot of stuff in here. Like it's plenty of space for one person. I think it'd be plenty of space if you had like 2 or even 3 people living, or like a family of 4. I don't know. Like it's a lot of space in here. So got that top level, this level, that level, and I can move these and put them in like I can, yeah, I can move these to like up here if I wanted to create different heights. But I'm good with them being there. Does this move? Oh, this moves. I have stuff on here, so I can't do it right now. But this actually moves, if you can tell. This like slides. Also, if you saw me washing like the different shelves, this one, I have never been able to get this shelf off so that I could pull this plastic off. So it's been months at this point, and I just can't, like, it's not just me. My mom tried to lift this up as well, and like we just couldn't get it up to get the plastic off. So I kind of just like gave up, and I've been living with it. But at some point I should, do you hear that beeping? That means the door's been open for too long. But at some point I really should try to get that plastic off. Oh, also you got this section up here. All these, again, don't judge me. Don't judge. Anyway, got this section down here. So as you can see, I've used it for like cheeses and sauces and stuff. Then also I put some citrus type things here. I usually have oranges and grapefruit as well, but this morning, actually, I made my grapefruit, orange, and lemon juice. I have a juicer, so I like juicing things pretty often. But you can control the temperature of this section, so you can use it for different types of things, depending on what temperature those items need to be chilled at, if that makes sense. And then down here is the freezer. And so when my sister came to visit me, she was like so in love with the ice. But there's like smaller ice here, and then bigger cubed ice on this side. Yeah, so that's where I get my ice and just other things that I've been freezing. And then move that, and we got a whole lot of other space. Like, I have a lot of stuff in here. Got a lot of chicken, got some salmon, more chicken, got some shrimp, cauliflower rice, because I'm trying to be healthy. Yeah, so you can fit a lot in here. The only thing I'll say that I don't like is because this is glass, it's not magnetized. Like, it's not a stainless steel refrigerator. So when I travel, I always collect like refrigerator magnets, and I don't really have, like, I can't use it like that anymore. This side of it is a magnet, so I can, you know, I've added things on the side, but there's not a lot of real estate to do things compared to like if I was able to put it all on the front. But that's a small price to pay, in my opinion. I love this. Do you see how reflective it is? You can actually, like, you can see me. Like, it's reflective because it's glass. And I just think that is so pretty. And this comes in different colors. I was tempted to get this in pink. And I was like, ooh, that would be so girly. And then I was like, maybe that's too girly. And I like the white, and I think it really like ties into the countertops that I have. It's been going great so far. I have no complaints, and I've really been enjoying the refrigerator. One of my first like big girl, grown woman, homeowner purchases. So really proud of myself that I was able to pick something that was good and something that I liked, but also high quality. So I do recommend it if you're interested in getting one of the Samsung Bespoke refrigerators. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave some comments down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.